Hi, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to show you how to install a catch basin. And there are many sizes available. We like to use a 12 by 12. Catch basins go in the lowest point of your yard and are used to collect surface water. Start by digging a trench where the water will flow downhill away from the catch basin. Your depth is really according to how deep you have to dig to get it away from the catch basin. Next, dig out the spot where the catch basin will sit. It will be deeper than your trench. Place the catch basin in the hole and check to make sure it is just below the top of the ground. Next, we'll hook the pipe up to the catch basin. Lay your pipe out across the top of the catch basin and cut it to length. Next, if you're using corrugated, make a slice down the center. Pinch it together, and we're going to slide it through the hole of the catch basin. It's a little tight, and that's good because once we pull it inside, it will expand to fill the hole. Always double check before you cover up that trench. Make sure that that pipe is running downhill. Here's an example of a double outlet catch basin. Water flows through the catch basin from both sides. Okay, let's go ahead and clean up. Cover it up, rake out your excess soil, and reseed. And that's really all there is to installing a catch basin. This is Chuck with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. This was just a short video, and there are lots of great articles and more videos on the website. Check it out, www.appledrains.com.